In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to import an application into Oracle Apex using the MaxAPEX hosting environment. Open your browser and go to your Apex hosting URL. For MaxAPEX users, this typically looks like teal.maxapex.net. Once the page loads, log in using your workspace, username, and password, and click Sign In. After logging in, click on App Builder. This will take you to the dashboard where all your applications are listed. Inside App Builder, click on the Import option. This is usually located near the top right or within the side menu. You will see the File Import page. Click Choose File and select the SQL file you exported earlier. After selecting the file, click Next or Upload, depending on Apex version. Apex will analyze the file and prepare it for import. Apex will show you a summary of the import settings, such as application ID, application name, and compatibility. You can keep the default settings unless you need to change the application ID. Click Install Application. Apex will now import the application into your workspace. Now, click Install Supporting Objects. Once the process is complete, Apex will confirm that the application has been installed. You can now open and run the application from App Builder.